The purpose of this video is to help those of you who do not know anything about how to read music. First, we're going to talk about what the names of notes are. And the best way to understand how notes get their names is to look at a piano. So if you look at a piano, you'll see that you have a group of 3 black keys and then a group of 2 black keys. And this series of keys repeats over and over across the piano. Within one of those repeating groups, the white keys are all named with the letters A through G. And then that just repeats over and over across the piano. The names of the black keys are decided upon in relation to the white key that they're next to. So if you look at the black key here, that is to the right of this A note, it is called 1/2 step up from A. And since it's 1/2 step up, that makes it sharp. And so that key, that black key, is then named A sharp because it is 1/2 step up from the note A. Just like over here, 1/2 step up from C is C sharp, up from D is D sharp, and so on. Now, if you are talking about the key, the black key that is to the left, then instead of calling it sharp, going up, it goes down to a flat. So 1/2 step down from A is A flat, a 1/2 step down from B is B flat, and so on. So you'll notice that any particular black key can actually have 2 different names. So for example, this key right here can be C sharp because it's a 1/2 step up from C, or it can be D flat because it's a 1/2 step down from D. Deciding when to call that key C sharp or D flat has to do with the scale, and we'll talk about scales in a different video. All in all then, there are 12 notes total, starting here with A flat and going all the way up here to the note G. And those 12 notes repeat over and over across the piano. So just to recap, there are 12 notes total, and they repeat in increasing or decreasing octaves. The 7 repeating white keys of a piano are named with the letters A through G. When you go 1/2 step up from one of those notes, you have a sharp, which is designated with this particular sign here. And if you go 1/2 step down from a note, then you end up with a flat, which is designated with this symbol here.